Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit photos in Google Photos on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. If you want to edit photos using the Google Photos app, go to that app. Then choose a photo you want to edit and click on Edit. And now you can automatically enhance it, make it warmer or make it cooler. You can go to crop the picture, or to straighten it, crop it to a certain format, rotate it, or change the perspective. To change the perspective, move these dots and press and hold for preview. Then click on Done, and you can go to Tools. You can unblur images, or use Magic Eraser to erase something from the picture that's not supposed to be there. Then go to Adjust, and here are different options that you can adjust. For example, the brightness, the contrast, the HDR effect, but you'll need to install more editing tools, white point, highlights, shadows, and more. Then you can go to Filters and add a filter onto your picture. When you click on the filter twice, you can adjust its intensity as well. Then you can go to Markup to either draw on the picture with pen in different colors, or with highlighters, or add text like that, and click on Done. And then when you go to More, you can go to OneDrive to edit it further in the OneDrive app. Then click on Save Copy, and now the photo has been edited. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.